SpaceClaim is a great tool when it comes to working with a variety of CAD formats. In fact, SpaceClaim can import native CAD formats such as SolidWorks, Pro-E, Inventor, along with neutral extensions such as Step, IGES, and Parasolid. More often than not, file extensions such as Step and IGES contain dirty geometry that prevents them from importing as solids. Well, with a set of repair tools inside of SpaceClaim, we can interrogate a model and use automated commands to solidify the geometry and make it watertight. As you can see in this model, it came in all as surfaces. Due to the geometry problems, we can go under and use our Repair tab to interrogate the model. The Stitch tool allows you to find and sew up all surfaces that are not watertight. Notice that a lot of the tools inside of SpaceClaim are very automated, and all you have to do is just click the green check mark to proceed. As you notice in the structure tree, SpaceClaim has two watertight solids, but not one. Well, we can quickly interrogate the model and turn off one of the solids and see that there's, well, just a small little sliver that's not attached to the main body. Well, that's easy to fix. We can go back and use our basic handy combine tool and really merge both of these two solids now into one piece of solid geometry. As we look further in the model, you'll notice that even if we plan to machine this part, every single circular edge has a sliver right down the middle. Well, this can cause an issue for our toolpath. So we can resort back to our Repair tab and use some of those handy quick tools like extra edges, which actually will interrogate the model and look for any extra edges that are not necessary in the geometry and remove them. Even if the engineer wants to make last-minute changes to the geometry, there is not a recirculating approach inside of SpaceClaim, only forward thinking. For example, let's say in the manufacturing process, we want to get rid of these holes because it's not going to be mounted anymore at that location, as well as this cutout. Well, that's simple. We can resort back to our basic tools inside of SpaceClaim and use the fill command. I like to consider fill spackle for drywall. It would just come in and patch up the holes that are not necessary anymore, and then use our pull command to come right in and extend that surface all the way up and merge it up to the other face to get rid of that cut. Or even planning ahead and thinking about, well, maybe if this part is casted, how easy is it to go through and split this part up and create a core and a cavity? Well, that's easy. With SpaceClaim, we like to keep things simple. As you can see, the quickness of creating new planes, going through, and we can use our enclosure tool to come right in, create a box right around the geometry, and now use some of the basic tools, once again, like combine, to split up the geometry to create that core and cavity. As you've seen, with the quick and easy tools inside of SpaceClaim, we can increase the flow on the manufacturing side.